Hello there, it's Miles Pitcher from Superior Lending. I can't believe that it's at the end of October. We're almost into November. At least that's when I'm recording this video for you. All right, we're going to talk about trust assets, and I'll get to that in a second. All right, here's my contact info. Scan that QR code, and let's look at rates. So boy, we got worse and worse and worse, and then we've had 5 days of improvement. This has been great. It's been nice to see an improvement. There's a resistance level right there. We'll see if we break through it. If we do, there's some nice continued room for improvement. But key things going on right now: inflation, and the way to control inflation is to have higher interest rates. Number two, the Federal Reserve is planning on tapering off their mortgage-backed securities purchases. We don't know when, we don't know how much, but that's a big deal. Unemployment's another thing we're watching. And as I've mentioned to you guys before, we're watching negative or GDP. We're watching to see if it looks like there could be a recession, technically a recession, but we'll see what happens on that. All right. Quick reminder again on the new conforming loan limits that are in play now, 625. And then I'm excited to also tell you, we now have a Spanish-speaking member of my team. Super excited to be able to help our Spanish-speaking community now. He's a licensed loan officer. He's been in the business for a couple of years. We're excited about that. All right, trust assets. So this is not referring to like an irrevocable trust or something, a family trust. This is talking about an asset for your business that helps create trust for you as a professional. There is so much out there in our industry right now with these big companies that are spending so much money trying to get people to go fill out a loan application, fill out a form on a home they want to look at, and then they just drop into this system of getting processed through that way. The amount of money being spent there is crazy, and they're just making it a transaction rather than building trust with clients. And I think that's where, as real estate agents, loan officers, our job is to be there as professionals and to build trust. So I have 3 tips for you today on how to build easy ways of building trust with clients and prospective clients. So yeah, a trust asset is really showing that you can be trusted. So number 1 is getting Google reviews. So if you don't have your Google business page set up, you need to do that. And then number 2, you need to go have your clients fill that out and give you some reviews. It is really not that hard. It is the biggest search engine in the world. It is also the way that people verify who you are. That's the number 1 thing they do. They type your name in the search engine. They don't go ask the Better Business Bureau anymore. They Google your name and they see what comes up. And then number 1 thing they look at is, does your name show up and how many reviews do you have? You can become very, very dominant in your area just by having a significant amount of reviews. So don't forget that. I have some tips for that. Number 1, the best time I believe on asking a client to give a review is from when they have clear to close on their file, but before they go in to sign their closing documents. If you try to get a review after they sign closing documents, their heads are elsewhere, and life is getting crazy for them on figuring out how to move and pack up and all those things that go on. But if you catch them right after clear to close notifications, or they have the final approval, they're on cloud 9. Great time to get those reviews. All right, second thing, I don't see a lot of people doing this, but ask your clients to give a video testimonial of what you did to help them. And have them post it on social media. You can post it on social media. A testimonial from another client or someone you helped is powerful, powerful, powerful. And in fact, if it's good enough, you can use it on some Facebook ads. You can use it in all kinds of marketing. It is a powerful thing. Just look for those opportunities to get a quick 30-second video from your clients giving you a testimonial. That's pretty powerful. All right, third thing is you need to tell stories, and do this in Facebook, do it in Instagram. Talk about the past clients you've helped and how you've solved problems. People are looking for problem solvers, and this is a great way to be able to show how you were able to be successful in helping a client. Don't forget doing this. I see a lot of agents out there who promote their listings, their homes. I think some video testimonials from past clients and also talking about some past client success stories would really boost some of those agents' social media. Anyways, few ideas for you today. We love helping our clients. We love showing them options, and we love making sure that they understand every single fee and every single part of the closing disclosure. Have a great week. Miles Pitcher with Superior Lending.